How we doing? How we doing? Yeah, another video, right? Hot and fast this week. Hot and fast. Here we coming at you, coming at you. So here we are. You know what the deal is. Jordan Star versus Trend with another training drop. Here we go. Oh, a nice slimline box today. Very slim. From Nike. This one today, guys. Here we are. Okay, and firstly, got a nice bright purple. Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Classic Green. Oh, I did see these. Funny, green but with a purple case on. I don't know. This is the first time I've reviewed Nike SB Lows, so this is all new to me. So here we are. Oh, turn the box around. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay. These are the first dunks I've reviewed on here, and these are actually the first I've, had in my own possession. So I've never really seen the hype around them, but when you have them in person, they're kind of a classic. They've got a classic feel about it. Obviously, these are skater shoes because it's got a massive, comfy tongue. The ankle's really wide. Obviously, when you're boarded and whatnot. But I like the colours. I like the contrast of the colours. Obviously, you've got the green, the white, the solid reflective. These splashes of colour I really, really like. I like the black tick. I just like the simple Nike on the back. These are really simple shoes, and I see why there is always so much hype around Dunk Lows and why they always do so well in the resale market, because they're a really nice pair to have, and they've got so many colorways. You got some real training heads of just trying to get all the colors, and good luck to those guys, because that's awesome to do that. But yeah, these are cool. These are really nice. See, but okay, so straight away, I don't know if you can see this, but we've got two brand new pairs of shoes, right? Yet, look at this one. See the difference? It's like this one seems like it's been worn, because you've got the crease at the front there, which you've actually got a crease in it. Look, got a crease in it. How you get a crease in these? Nike, come on. What more is there to say to that? Anyway, hey, you get white pair of laces, only one pair, so you could mix it up even more and go one white, one green, which is different. I think people should do that more. I think just change it up with the laces. Why have the laces always got to be standard, boring, same? Just change it up. And it's really cool at Design McQueen's. You can get like a rainbow laces and then a white one as well. Really nice, really nice. Personal pair. so here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Classic Green, and they're classic. And they really are, and I actually really like that, the fact that they are a classic, and they are timeless. They are timeless, and that is the attraction with Dunk Lows. Now I see it. When you got to have something in possession, try it on, wear it out, and then you get to understand what it is about it. But they do feel really light, and I can't wait to get these on foot. Yeah, I get it. I absolutely get it. I get why there's so much hype around the Dunk Lows and why they always do so well on the resale market, and why whenever you can, if you try to get in the queue to get these on the drops, you're most likely to catch an L unless you're using some sort of bot or you're on a raffle, and it's quite hard to get hold of, because they feel absolutely great on the feet. They actually do feel great on the feet. They're light. I like the fact that getting the shoe in with the ankle bit is so wide, just to make adjustments for, some wide angle feet people. And obviously, for the market it's intended for, the boarders, on the board, it's all about moving on the ankles. I don't know why I'm even doing this, but I completely get why there is such a massive hype on dunk lows. And yeah, so will I cop? Yeah, for sure. Absolutely for sure. Absolutely for sure. Now I feel like I've lost. I'm like way behind the curve because I'm not gonna be able to catch all the old ones that have come. But I might start, building up my own personal collection. Watch this space here, right? But yeah, I really, really like them actually. On your feet, they just sound, and they're light as well, and they're tight in all the right places and loose where it needs to be. What more can you ask for? Really want to hear your comments and your thoughts on dunk lows. What is your take on it? Is it something that you rock all the time? Do you have a pair? How do you rock them? Share them on the Style vs Trend website, styleversustrend.com. Post up an image. Let's see let's get a conversation going about how you wear your dunk lows. Anyway, Jordan from Style vs Trend. I say thank you for tuning in. God bless.